What's up, guys? We've got the Kugoo Kirin G2 Pro electric scooter. Comes with amazing instructions on how to assemble this, how to operate it.
Hey, look. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. It's a shower cap.
Free shower cap.
Free shower cap for everyone.
Right out of the box, it comes mostly assembled, but it was covered in all this white styrofoam. So I pulled out my trusty Eufy H30. I love this little vacuum cleaner.
This is the money deal. Everyone needs one of these. No household should go without.
This is my very entertaining friend Joby, who's helping me put this together, along with his son Seth, getting this all screwed down. They do include this whole Allen wrench toolkit, which was really cool. Made it handy to screw down everything nice and tight. Then the main feature that I wanted to check out on this scooter is this seat. So this is optional. You can put it on if you want to or not. It is removable, but once you screw it down, it's foldable just like the handlebar is, which is nice. Very sturdy when it's in upright position. It's got a very comfortable seat. And because I'm still recovering from knee surgery, this is what was important to me, because I wanted to be able to ride this scooter and not have to stand on it. Now, pumping up the tires for the rear tires, especially with that hub motor in there, did prove to be a challenge. This is one thing where I think they could probably improve the design and make it a little easier to get the extension tube in there. After some much finagling, we were able to get the extension tube in there, got the tires pumped up, turned it on for the first time. They have a beautiful display here. I love how bright the display is. The flashing there is just from the video frame rate. It doesn't actually do that. And Seth decided to give it a little test run here. So did Joby.
Oh,
Isn't that a weird, like it's such a sharp
sensation.
Yeah, it is.
Some notable features: that it has top speed of 45 kilometers per hour. It has dual disc brakes, 9-inch tires, has a max load capacity of 265 pounds and 20-degree hill climbs. The electric scooter also fits folded nicely in the back of our Audi e-tron, and to unfold it, just bend the handlebar up, clamp it down, and then you can adjust this in the front. That's height adjustable in the front, which I really like. So whether you're in the seated position, the standing position, you can get those handlebars at the right height. The seat also folds down nicely, so you just swing that up, lock it down with a little clip right here. Sorry, I didn't get it in the frame very well. The seat post also is adjustable, so even though I'm 6'7", I was able to adjust it to somewhat comfortable. To turn it on, you just turn the key, which locks it, of course, when you're not using it. Then you can push and hold the button here below the throttle, and then the display will turn on. It also has built-in turn signals and 6 different LED lights on this thing. Now, I really hope that my knee surgeon is not subscribed to my channel, because I do not recommend that you ride an electric scooter when you're 6 weeks post-op from knee surgery. But because I've gotten my bend far enough on my knee, I was able to sit on this scooter and, like you see me here, just cruise right along. Now, I'm 215 pounds about, so going up the hills was doable, not very fast, but it handled all terrains, the speed bumps, the off-roads, the side trails. It just ate up the dirt like a champ, and plenty of speed to get around. This was my first time actually going out and kind of going around with my wife, walking our dogs, and allowed me to get out there and kind of be with them.
Not hurt your leg there.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
We also took it over to our parents' neighborhood. It was just nice to be mobile again, and that's something that was really liberating for me, because I've been cooped up in the house recovering from knee surgery. The Kugoo Kirin G2 Pro has dual suspension, that's right, front and rear suspension, and it has a shock absorber on that seat post, so when you're sitting, it's a very comfortable ride. Because of the smaller tire size and sitting on it, turning was a little bit interesting.
It's a little scary turning.
But this is only when you're doing really sharp turns, and you get used to it pretty quickly, and it doesn't affect anything in terms of safety. Lauren just jumped on this thing and started riding it around and got very, very comfortable on it. As you can see, she just loves zooming very fast on this thing, even at top speeds. There are links in the description of this video to get this very scooter. Highly recommended, especially bang for your buck. This is the scooter to get.
Cross-ups like that.
Yeah.
And then you go down. And then you have shock absorbers right here. Shock absorbers here.
Ah, Joby, we love you. One day maybe you'll have your own YouTube channel.